Howdy everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101. This is my channel, Best Dallas Apartments. Hey, so I'm actually in the garage of the Riviera West Village. One of the things that's really good about this apartment is the amount of parking that's here. There is an incredible amount of parking here available. This is just part of it, but there's several floors, and there's always seems to be a lot of spaces available for, whenever I go here, and it's available for you here at the Riviera West Village. They also have reserved parking that's available. So that reserved parking, you can have either just access to the garage, or you can have the reserved parking that's available. So that garage parking is pretty cool. There's also a lot of greenery and green areas that are here, right here in the West Village, Riviera West Village. So it's very dog friendly is my point. Like there's all these little coves and things to walk around. So it's a really cool, not only garage, but then you can kind of see, the look and feel here too. Very, very cool. This is a really nice little courtyard that's here. But there's greenery, grass, and things all around that you can let your dog take care of business. And this is a little bit more of what looks like inside. So anyway, that's the Riviera West Village parking. Now we're actually going to go inside and see a couple of amenities. Yep. Excuse me, if you have questions anytime about anything you're seeing, send me a text, just use the number below,